Hello, my wonderful audience. How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, along with Rose Helen, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make fufu in microwave. Okay, how to make fufu in microwave. So today we're just going to take 5 minutes to make our fufu. I'm not here for a long time. Okay, so this is plantain fufu. This fufu you see is plantain. They have different kinds of fufu, but this one is made from plantain. And this is mashed potato. Yeah, this is mashed potato. So I'm gonna be mixing my mashed potato with the plantain flour. Yeah. So I actually opened this before. This is the last one, so I don't think I'm gonna measure it, but yeah, just for the sake of camera, I might measure it for you guys to see. Just a little, just one time eating I'm making tonight. Okay, so if you're just joining me for the first time, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This channel is family friendly. I'm a mother of 2 from West Africa, Liberia. Yeah, cooking is my passion. I started cooking at a very young age, maybe about 7 or 8 years. But professional cooking I started doing at the age of, let's say, 12 for the entire household. I don't like to mess my. This is actually a flour though. So one of my audience comment saying they would like to try fufu. They show it again. Sister girl, hold on. They said they would like to try fufu and they were guessing, hoping that they can also fry fufu. No, honey, we don't fry fufu. We only use fufu. No, we only eat fufu of soup, like pepper soup or water soup or peanut butter soup or different kinds of soup. We eat fufu with okra sauce, palawa sauce, eggplant, different kinds of way we eat, or different kinds of soup we eat fufu with. So yeah, I already have my fufu soup here.
Light blue.
So this is my spoon right here.
That's fufu stick.
Yeah. So I'm gonna be putting warm water. No, baby, come on, live. I'm gonna be putting warm water on this fufu right here. I just got 1 cup of mashed potato along with 1 cup of plantain flour. Okay. So I just pour maybe 2 cups of water will be fine. Okay, I got 2 cups of water right here. Yeah. So most of my audience want to learn how to make fufu soup also. I already show you guys how to make fufu. And if you want to know where to get fufu from, you can get fufu from African store. Okay, we sell fufu in African store. Sister girl, pause a show, baby girl. Lower your volume. So I got 2 cups of water in the fufu here. I think I need 1 more cup. Baby girl, pause a show, please. So let's say I got 3 cups of water right here. Yeah. And I'm going to put this fufu in the microwave today. Fufu, I'm making it in the form of GB. I don't know you guys know what is GB though. I'll be making today's fufu in the form of GB. It's going to be kind of a little bit thick or highlight. Yeah. So with this fufu, I will put in the microwave for about 3 minutes because I want it to be ready thick and high. Okay. This is the fufu right here. And I have a bowl right here with a top. Yeah, this is the top for this bowl right here. But I also like to put a plastic bag over my fufu to keep the heat, you know, over the fufu. Okay, so I have plastic bag right here which I'm gonna be rinsing. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this fufu in the microwave for 3 minutes and I will be back shortly. Okay, so guys, the 3 minutes is over. Let's check the fufu and see what's going on here. Yeah, whenever you're making fufu, you always have to get a bowl of top. Yeah, I told you guys, I guess 40 minutes on the fufu right here. This is how the fufu look like. Yeah, it's still hot. Oops. The fufu gonna be ready to take, y'all. Okay, so guys, I put 2 minutes. I mean 3 minutes. I might put 1 more minute. Yeah. Oops. Guys, don't see that. Did you see that? So this is how the fufu look like. But I still have to put 2 more minutes, okay? So what I'm gonna do, just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of water. So I was correct. 5 minutes, okay though. 2 is not. It's not that a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it and put 2 more minutes there, okay? So yeah, guys, taking this for 2 more minutes, and after 2 minutes, I can't wait to show you guys the amazing result. So guys, I just put extra 2 minutes on his fufu. So that's what's going on here. This is the fufu right here. Oh yeah, this is how I want this fufu to be. Yes. So the total minute I use on the fufu was 5 minutes. I just make this fufu in 5 minutes here. Can you see this? Yeah. Hope you guys gonna see this. Yeah. So you're just gonna. And the next thing I have here is my fufu soup right here. So you're just gonna stir it up like this. Hope you guys gonna see. Can you see it, y'all? Yeah, just stir the fufu up. This is how I like my fufu to be, in the form of GB. So I mix mashed potato with plenty flour to get this fufu right here. We have different kinds of fufu, so you're just gonna try and see which one is best for you. This is the fufu right here. Yeah, guys, this is the fufu right here. It's just maybe one time eating for the family and I. Yeah, let me show you guys the other type of fufu they have. So we have cocoyam right here. This is another kind of fufu. And we have you can also make mashed potato with fufu if you want to. And we have plantain fufu. They have different kinds of fufu. They have cassava flour, they have plantain flour, cocoyam flour. Yeah, and the list go on. So let me show you guys my fufu soup. I'm going to show you guys the soup I have for my fufu right here. So this is the soup. I just got it from the ice box. It's still frozen. Yeah, the fufu soup is still frozen. Right here, I'm gonna put it in the microwave about to defreeze it. Yeah, so you can eat fufu. You can eat fufu with palm butter, peanut butter soup, water soup, pepper soup, okra sauce, eggplant sauce, palawa sauce. The list go on. You can eat fufu with whatever you want to eat it with. So one of my audience asked me, say he guessed they can also fry fufu. No, you don't fry fufu. You only make it like you only you either put it in water and stir up on the stove or in microwave, but you don't put it in oil. Okay? Yeah, it look like flour, but it's not meant to fry or to put in oil. Okay? Yeah, it's only for water and heat. Yeah, let me make that clear to you guys. So if you make it to the end of the video, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this fufu, and if you want to try some, just let me know. Yeah, so please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Okay? Yeah, on this channel we do just a little bit of everything. We do cooking on live video, we do products review, we do we promote the gospel through short form video, we do fitness, we talk about beauty, we talk about hair, and just a little bit of everything. And this channel is family friendly. I'm a mother of 2 from West Africa, Liberia. Yeah, I'm a proud mom, y'all. And I'm a working lady, y'all. Yeah, I got a full-time job. So so once again, you guys are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen to eat with us. Okay, we're about to have fufu for dinner tonight. Yep, we're about to have fufu for dinner tonight. So this is the fufu right here. We're making fufu for dinner tonight. This is the entire fufu. Just one time eating, okay? Yeah. Did you see that, y'all? So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Bye. Come back to watch more of this video, okay? Love you so much. Mwah. Turn it off.